Hello guys, it's Daniel and Igor from PaintAccess, and today we received a really amazing stock of different paint sprayers. So now we're going to discuss one of the most actually popular paint sprays that we have here for DIY, top of the range. And I'm on behalf of our audience, of our customers, going to ask some really interesting questions to Daniel about what the spray actually is about and why do we need to buy it. So Daniel, first of all, could you please tell me what do you think this spray is mostly designed for? Like what type of projects you can do with it?
Absolutely, Igor. Look, thank you for watching, guys. And yes, that's the top seller and the top of the range from a DIY range. So most of the projects is designed for it's interior, exterior. You can do ceilings, you can do walls, you can do also fine finish and exterior cladding. So it's designed for everything apart roof membrane. So it's not designed to paint thick coating.
And could you please also tell me what's the motor power, like how many horsepower is in the motor?
Okay, this it's a pretty powerful engine and it's equipped with 0.875 horsepower.
And I also remember that there was a Project 17 one. So what is the main difference between this one and Project 17?
100%. So Project 17, it comes with a slightly less power. From my memory, it comes with a 0.78 horsepower. It doesn't have wheels. And that's pretty much it. The quick release pump mechanism, it's exactly the same as on Project 17 and Project 19.
And could you please tell me how many meters of the hose that comes with the spray in the box?
Absolutely. So it's just in my hands and it comes with a 15-meter hose. That's the SG3 gun. And also it comes with a 515 tip. As you can see, it's this one is low pressure one.
Daniel, thank you so much. And I have the last question.
Oh, sure.
What is the main thing how I can actually maintain it and lubricate? Like what is the main thing that I need to do to protect the sprayer?
Igor, thank you. That's probably one of the most important questions that you just asked. Now, when you are actually spraying, you have to lubricate pump. So we recommend probably for every 2-3 buckets of paint, just a drop of oil on this piston. That's the one. It's while you're spraying. Once you finish your painting, you have to clean with the water. So you have to probably use a couple of buckets of water and clean through. After you've done your painting, you have to put pump armor into the system just to make sure that you protect internals from rusting. You just quickly switch into the priming mode, put this priming liquid into the suction tube. Once you see blue stuff coming out from this tube, that's already pump armor inside. Was it helpful, Igor?
Yeah, it was very actually helpful. Now I can have more ideas of what it does, and I hope this video was also very informative for you. Thank you so much. Please follow us, and we're here to support you. So come to us, and if you have any questions, refer to us.
Thank you, guys. Shop online or come to Metro. Cheers.